Guys, this the power test out of 1911 made by Daisy. Power test. See if I'm gonna bust the bottle. Should be a good one, dude. I just love these 1911s. I think this one made by Daisy Powerline, but they have the Smith & Wesson. I think they're pretty much the same gun. Okay, let's see, guys. I think that's dead on. 1911 power test. Let's get it. Take it off for safety. I just love this regular slide on this guy. Single action. That's cool. It locked back, dude. Cool. So that was the Daisy 1911, guys. Next test, Daisy line 426. I like this one. I'm gonna shoot this. I'm gonna rapid fire this one. I just really love this gun. Y'all go see why. Should be a good one. Should be a good one. Remember, guys, I'm rapid firing. I'm gonna shoot as fast as I could, and hopefully hit that bottle, bust that bottle, guys. Safety off. Let's get at it. I think that was kind of awesome. And that was the Daisy Line 426 all plastic gun. It's so good.